Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. In this video we'll take a look at the new Yeelight AC powered Nightlight International version. This light is available on AliExpress and other e-shops that sell China goods at around $8 US. I would like to thank Yeelight for supplying this light for review. Since this is an international version, there is also English manual. As with all Yeelight products, it is of excellent quality and really modern and nice design. So let's see how it works. You have to understand that this is a classic night light and it is turned on automatically when it's dark. There is no motion sensor but only light sensor. But there is also a small button which you can use to turn it on or off manually. Once you turn it off, it won't turn on again until there's been light and dark again, or you turn it on by a switch. All in all, really beautiful, well-made and affordable night light. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.